Mode. The number which occurs the most. What are the steps are? Count how many of each value appears. The mode is the value that appears the most. Okay, always keep in mind there can be more than one mode also. In this example, as you can see, 2 appearing twice and 6 is also appearing twice. So there are two modes for these values. 2 and 6 are the mode for these two values. Most of the time you will hear the word mode, like for example, what is the mode of goals kicked by a footballer after each round? Question says find the mode of each set of numbers. So in this case what we will do is we will see the mode is what? Mode is the number that appears the most. So we look over here 78. Do you see any other 78? Yes. Okay, so 78 is appearing twice. What about 84? 84, 84 is appearing twice. Let's look for another one over here. 80, 80 is only one time, so we don't need this number. 67, no. 73, no. 72, no. So which numbers are appearing most? So number which are appearing most are 78, which is coming twice, and 84, which is coming twice. So this is the mode for these set of numbers. Again, the definition of mode is the number that appears the most. In simple words, the number which is coming many times in the given set of numbers. Find the mode of the given set of values. So our objective over here is to find the mode, and the definition of mode is what? The number that appears most or number comes many times. Let's start from the first number 30. Do you see 30? Yes, I see 30 twice over here. Now then I will look at 29. 29, I see 29 over here. I see 29 over here. So this means what? I cannot use 30. 30 cannot be my mode because now I have a new mode over here. Let's go for the next one. 22. Do you see 22? Yes, 22. I have 22 twice. This cannot be the mode because I already have where numbers which are more than 2. 31. No. What about 22? Let's look at 22 over here. So okay, we already 22, 24. We 24, if you see 24 is coming only twice. 30, we already took care of 30, 30, no. So from this set of values, we came to know that 29 is the mode for this question. Because 29 is the number that is coming many times. Find the mode for the given set of values. So what is mode? Mode is the number that appears the most. So we'll start from 51. Do you see any other 51 over here? Yes, I have 51 coming twice. If I have any number coming more than 2 times, then I will not take this. 54, 54, 54, no. 56, no. 44, no. What about 46? No. 63, no. 47, no. 55, no. So from this we came to the conclusion that 51 is the mode for this set of data. Find the mode of the given set of values. So definition of mode is the number that appears the most. So let's try to find out. So always start from the first one, 62. Okay, there are two 62, so we have a choice. 62 can be a mode. What about 63? No. 46. I don't see any other 46 over here. What about 48? I do not see any 48. As similarly is for 58, 60, and I don't see any other number repeating. So from this I came to the conclusion that 62 is the mode for this question. What is the mode of the following numbers? 12, 11, 14, 10, 8, 3, 11, 9. And we have been given multiple choice 11, 10, 14, and 8. So what we will do is now if you want to make it easy, okay, look at these four choices. Do you see 12 over here? No. So we will just get rid of 12. We will not even look for it. Let's start from 11. 11. I have one more 11. So this might be my mode. What about 14? No, 14 is not the answer. So eliminate it. What about 10? No. What about 8? No. So our answer is what? 11 is the mode for this question over here. So whenever you see multiple choice, use the strategy, eliminate the left choices which you don't need and pick the question says what are the modes of the following sets of numbers. So when I am looking at this, so let me write mode. Mode is the number that appears the most. So 3, no, I don't have any 3. 13, I do not see, but I do 6. 6 coming twice, and that's the number which is coming twice. This means 6 is the number that appears the most. So mode is 6 for this first question over here. For the second question, we have to find mode. Mode is the number that appears the most. So 12, I do not see any 12. I don't see any 0. 15. I see 215 over here. Okay, then I see 16. Now I can clearly see from here 16 is coming 3 times. So what is this? Mode is 16 for this question over here. A student recorded her scores on a weekly math quizzes that were marked out of possible 10 points. Her scores were as follows. So we have to find mode of her scores. So mode is the number that appears the most. So I will start from 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 of 8s. Now let me look for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are 5. So that's for sure that 8 is not the correct answer. I will erase this 8 just to avoid confusion. I will erase these. Okay, 5 is one of my choice because 5s are 5s. Now let's look at 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this tells me 5 is not the correct answer because I have 6. 6 are more than 6 was 6. So now let's look at another one over here. So, okay. Oh, those were 7. Okay. Now let's look at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 and 6, those two numbers are coming 6 times. Now I have another number left. Yes, I have 9s and 8s. 8 I took care of. I need to 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4. No. So this means my mode is 6 and mode is 7 for this question. Which of the following measures can have more than one value for a set of data? More than one value for a set of data. So when we look at mean, no, how many answers we are getting when we are finding mean? Mean is the number in the middle, only one answer we get. But this question is asking more than one value. What about mean? Mean is number in the middle. Mean is what? Add all the numbers and divide by how many they are. How many answer we get? Only one. But for mode, we can have more than one answer. Okay. So this is the correct choice for this question. So mode is the only measures of central tendency which can have more than one value for a set of data. So option B is the correct answer for this question.